everybody, this is Victor Maas. It is January 14th or 15th, one of the two, I don't know, it's a Friday, 2021. We're here at this disgusting property behind me. This home has been essentially vacant for 2 years. It was a cat house, it was literally a litter box cat house. The son pulled drawers out, filled it with cat litter so the cats would be able to defecate in the house. So these houses are filthy disgusting. When we try to wholesale them, we don't want them to be filled with all this nastiness. We want our wholesale buyers to feel good about their purchase, and I want them to think, oh, it's basically a clean canvas. We just need to floor it, paint it, put in all the other pretty stuff. But seeing the disgustingness of this home freaks people out. So I hire folks off Craigslist, I get a dumpster, and we just start removing. And we'll spend all day just removing. Anyway, we're gonna show you next some videos of the inside and let you get disgusted. I just wish you had a scratch and sniff of what this house smells like. It's nasty. Let's go check it out. So this is a sunroom. They enclosed it, and so they coming in here just want they want to have a lazy Sunday or Saturday. Maybe put the dogs in here. The swimming pool's out there, and as you can tell, it is just nasty. We have the living room here with lots of cat litter boxes. Kitchen's over there, fireplace, bathroom. Bedroom. Oh, this guy is so filthy. This is the master, believe it or not. It's got its own bathroom. And it has a closet, so that's good. I'm doing a live video of this property we're at right now in northeast San Antonio. 5 hours, 2 large dumpsters. And trust me, you did not want to walk in this home earlier this morning because there was cat feces everywhere. One of the children who took over the property would pull out drawers, put all this cat litter into it, and let the cats do their business without ever once cleaning up. So the city came by several months ago and took all these cats out of here. But there was a possum we found in the house, so that was kind of funny. But I want to walk you guys through the house now and show you how a little bit of hard work, a little bit of organization can help you get these deals. We just closed on this property in northeast San Antonio called Sierra Madre. And I wanted you guys to understand how we did that. So here's the big fat check. Voila. I'm gonna go deposit it as soon as I'm done with this video. The home is worth about $180,000. We sold it to them at $100,000. Now that takes into effect that also there's about 30 plus in rehab. Holding costs, closing costs, commissions, things that a lot of people don't think about, but your wholesale buyer does. So we bought it for 30 all in. We're gonna net 30 grand. So that's a win-win for us, big time, okay? So how did we do this? Well, we were looking at a list that I teach my students, and then we drove that list, and there's multiple lists we drive, about 20 to 40 properties at a time, and we eliminate. We found this one vacant property in Northeast San Antonio, and then we tried to find the family. And we found one of the daughters because her dad had died. The daughter told us she had a brother who was a drug addict. He was nowhere to be found, and it took several weeks for us to locate him through a private investigator. Yes, I hired a private investigator. We got him to sign, and then, boom, we own the property. We then cleaned it all out this past Friday. Dumpsters, 2 of them, big ones. Cleaned it all out. And by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we were done. And by 11 o'clock that night, I had a verbal commitment to buy this home. And here we are Tuesday after these Martin Luther King holiday. Here we are Tuesday morning after 11. We've already sold it with check in hand that quickly. So there's our numbers. The after per value is what we think conservatively it's worth at the end of the day. Don't embellish on that number. If you can find 2 or 3 properties of like kind in that same neighborhood, that's how you arrive at your after per value, not some crazy number to screw people over. The wholesale amount was based on 70% plus some repairs, so we reached for that and boom, we already had it done. And then that's what we bought it for. And that's it. Rinse and repeat. I'm about to go out of town in Utah tomorrow. I'm going to have a good trip because I know that I did good. We already, in fact, bought another property today. We'll be talking about that one later. Take care.